Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTEC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where this green line annotation is coming from, and that also is what brings about the first update here. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward, $1.15 is going to be that initial level of resistance, although I am going to go ahead and just adjust this level down. Now, of course, I could keep that level up there, but I don't want to do that because then I'm, from a presentation standpoint, I'm risking causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So again, $1.15 definitely still is a level of resistance, but a little bit more of a near-term level is right there at $1.10. And like I said, from a clutter perspective and wanting to avoid that, I'm just going to keep us focused on one area of resistance, and we're going to call that 110. In the event the price can get above there, then from more so the overarching point of view, keep an eye on the purple line right here, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, so as Friday plays out and then next week, that line will continue to move itself further and further downwards, which is kind of going to act like a downtrending trend line there. But one step at a time, one hurdle at a time. And again, that first hurdle needs to be getting up above $1.10. And then you can keep an eye up there, at that 50-period moving average. Now, as far as supports are concerned, going forward, it's all about the pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200-period moving average, and that's currently valued at 89 cents. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period, and you know that when the price is up above it, assuming, of course, you're bullish, but when you see the price up above it, you definitely want to see the price stay up above it. And so far, so good. You can see right there, price, pulled back and got within the range of it, but it did hold strong, so we'll see if that can continue to be the case or not going forward. But all in all, yeah, a rough day. And going into Friday, we'll see if the bulls can try to stabilize things out or not. But definitely don't want to see the price dropping down below 89 cents. So let's see if the price can at least, at minimum, stay up above that area. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.